Dev Attell net worth 2024. Who is Dev Attell? David Attell is an American stand-up comedian, actor and writer. Dev Attell biography. Dev Attell was born in January 18, 1965 in the New York City borough of Queens to a Jewish family. He was raised in Rockville Center, New York, One Long Island. He graduated from Southside High School. After graduating from New York University in 1987 with a degree in communications, Attell began performing at open mic nights. Dev Attell career. Dev Attell's first appearances on television was in 1988 on BH1 Stand-Up Spotlight, which also featured early appearances by Louis Black, Margaret Cho, Jeff Garlin, Jay Mohr, and Banda Skies. On November 23, 1993, he made his first appearance on Late Show with David Letterman. The appearances was seen by Saturday Night Live creator Lorne Michaels, who then recruited Attell to be a writer and occasional performer on SNL. Attell can be seen behind Chris Farley, Rudy Giuliani inauguration sketch. Attell worked on the show for the 1993-1994 season. In 1995, Attell was featured on two HBO specials alongside Up and Commerce Louis C.K. and Dave Chappelle. He was a featured performer on the 1995 Young Comedians special hosted by Gary Shandling. He was given his own 60-minute special on the channel's HBO Comedy Showcase. Subsequently, Attell was also given an episode of HBO comedy Half Whore in 1997. Attell first one-hour special, Dev Attell, Captain Miserable, aired December 8, 2007 on HBO. His comedy special, Dev Attell Road Work, aired 2014 on Comedy Central. In 1995, Attell appeared as Ishq Gali Dev on Dr. Carter's Professional Therapist. In 1999, the network issued Attell an installment in the second season of Comedy Central Presents series. The same year, the network signed him as regular commentary to satirical series The Daily Show, on which he appeared for 3 years. Attell commentary segment was called The Ugly American. He returned for the final episode of host John Stewart Tanner. In 2001, the television series Insomniac with Dev Attell premiered on Comedy Central. Attell described it as wild on E for ugly people. In 2003, Attell began appearing on Tug Crowd with Coraline King. The show featured many of the performers he works with at the New York City Comedy Club, the Comedy Cellar, and is based on the conversion they would have off stage at the Olive Tree Cafe, the restaurant above the club. Attell appeared on Comedy Central Last Laugh in 2007. In 2008, Attell began hosting the Gong Show with Dev Attell at Comedy Central. Like the 1970 version, the show had a rotating panel of celebrity judges grading unusual act. In May 2008, Attell announced a casting call on his MySpace page for Comedy Central relaunch of the Gong Show. Attell was host along with Greg Fitzsimmons, serving as head writer on the series. However, the Gong Show with Dev Patel aired only from July to September 2008. In April 2014, Comedy Central premiered Comedy Underground with Dev Patel, a late-night stand-up comedy show taped live in New York. In 2018, he toured with Jeff Rose on the Bumping Mic Tour. Over the last 3 days of tour, they taped a 3-part documentary series, Bumping Mics, Jeff Rose and Dave Attell, for Netflix. Interpreted footage showcases the duo interaction both off stage and on as they return to the comedy cellar, where a spontaneous first performance marked the birth of their ensemble act. Dave Attell Net Worth 2024. According to online sources, Dave Attell net worth is estimated to be $6 million.
Thanks for watching this video. I request to you do like, share and subscribe.